Hi everyone, my name is Shuli Vera and I am from Kharagpur, West Bengal. I have completed my Masters in Chemistry from Vidyasagar University, West Bengal. I did my Masters in 2023. After completing the Masters, I was looking for some training in QC, especially about the HPLC part, but I wasn't getting any in West Bengal. So I searched for training. So I searched in Google. As I searched there, and I got to know about Rainbow Pharma Training Lab is in Hyderabad. So I didn't think about the another time, and I literally called here for a training, and I came here. And here I took 2 months training on quality control, and I really like the way they teach. They taught us about the weight analysis and also the chemical test. So here I operated HPLC GC individually, and we literally performed the test individually and very well. So even if I join a pharmaceutical industry as a fresher, I wouldn't have the opportunity to handle such instruments. So because of this training, I literally learned a lot about all these analytical instruments. So I really like the way they teach here, and also about some factors how we should behave in pharmaceutical industry. And also here we also got the opportunity of job assistant. So if you really want to come for a training, you shouldn't think about twice. So that's all what I want to say. Thank you.